Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this video will be super quick and straight to the point. I'll be showing you how to make an invisible finish to finish your crochet pieces. So if you're often left with a bump at the end of your round or your row that you've done and you want to avoid that, just keep watching. I'll show you how to do an invisible finish to avoid that. So here, as you can see, I'm doing my last stitch of my round, and then that was the last round of this pattern. I'm going to cut my yarn, and to finish, instead of finishing with a slip stitch or finishing like this or weaving in the end, what you want to do is grab a needle and thread your yarn to your needle. And to do our finish, what we need to do is find, so you'll have a next stitch here. What you want to do is skip this next stitch and insert your needle from the back through the next stitch. So you skip one and insert your needle through the back of the next stitch. Then you go through the middle of the current stitch that you're working in and put your needle through. So that basically create a fake stitch. You can pull a little bit so it's the same size as the rest of your stitches. And that way you have a nice finished seam and there's not too much of a big bump that you'll definitely see where your round was finished. So here I have a different example just to show you again. So here I just threaded my yarn into my needle. It's my current stitch. I want to skip the next one and insert my needle through the back. So skip this one, insert my needle through the next stitch through the back to front, pull through, go back to your current working stitch through the middle, and you can kind of weave in your hands at the same time, which is what I'm doing here, and pull a little bit until it's the same size as the rest of your stitches. And there you go. Super quick and easy technique, but really helpful. Let me know if you used this before or you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, I would appreciate if you liked this video and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you again for more tips soon, as well as more videos. Thank you so much for watching.